Imagine yourself in this 2018 Kia Stinger Base. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 255 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, analog and compressor, intercooled turbo. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.